Hello, in this video we will be showing you how to make a press joint in MecFlow Press. Please ensure that you have the correct pressing tool and a set of F, FZ or TH profile jaws, depending on the diameter of product you will be working on. Other equipment you may require are as shown on screen. Please ensure you have the correct site-specific PPE such as gloves and eye protection. Firstly, cut the pipe square using a rotary cutter or shears. It is important that the pipe is cut exactly square to prevent the risk of a failed press joint. Use the deburring tool to reround the pipe and chamfer the cut edges. The chamfer allows the pipe to pass smoothly over the O-rings inside the fitting, preventing any risk of damage. The pipe can then be fully inserted into the fitting. If the pipe is not visible in one or more of the inspection windows, either push the pipe further in or remove, cut square and deburr before trying again. Please check and change the jaws if required. When ready to press, open the jaws and place around the stainless steel collar of the fitting. Recheck the inspection windows to ensure the pipe has not moved and pull the trigger to start the press process. When the loud click is heard, release the trigger. After pressing, you can see that an impression is left on the collar by the tool. For more information on MecFlow Press, please refer to the technical manual on our website.